What's up guys, my name is Mickey and in this video I'm going to show you how to make really cute rainbow brownie iced gems. In a mixing bowl, I put in all the ingredients and then I combined it well together. When I was a kid, I used to eat these little iced gem biscuits, so I thought that it would be a cool idea to make these brownie ice gems. After most of the ingredients are mixed well, I folded in the chocolate chips. Then I poured the batter in a silicone bread mold. I recently got this bread mold and I am really loving it because it is just so easy to release the bread after it is done. So I let the bread cool for a little bit before I used a donut cutter and cut out brownie circle shapes. Then I placed it neatly on a dish and then I decorated the top of each brownie with the rainbow frosting, and that's it. If you want to make this recipe, I put the list of ingredients in the video description. And if you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up and tell others about it. So let me ask you, have you ever had iced gem biscuits before? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching and have a sweet day.